What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be rebuilding the Panthers. As you can already see, I'm in the franchise, and yeah, let's get started. We're gonna keep Hubbard. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get rid of Adam Thielen and Bryce Young because Young, he's pretty bad. I'm just trying because we get I'll say one season, and if you guys want me to keep on going with other seasons, sorry guys, I'm breathing a lot. Do you know what? I just want to make it so bad, $1 million baby. Maybe, probably not, but ooh, that's actually way close. I'm risking it, man. I don't care about my draft picks right now, bro. Now we just got picked up Justin Herbert. Does it let us do this now? It doesn't ever let me do, like, where's the lineup? Alright, so I gotta try to find a receiver that I could try to get. Like, maybe like Roma Dunze. Alright, that should go through, right? Do you know what? Ooh, Jerry Judy, maybe? I think I might go Jerry Judy. Boom, there we go. Now I got Jerry Judy as our Panther. Alright, that offense is looking good, actually, now. Did they get rid of the D. Moore guy? Or Moore? Or what was his name? It was definitely someone like here. Still got rid of him. I did not see that, though. I heard CD Lamb's out. Is that right? Shot. I'm shooting the apps. What frick? My bad. Fourth, third. We're really getting rid of these picks, man. Defense. Alright, now let's go to the Chiefs. That's a big back team. We're better than the Chiefs, but we'll probably lose this game. I'm not surprised if we do. Dang it. How are we? Ooh, this is a good game. This might determine playoffs, really. Yes, baby, let's go. Bo Nix is like, ooh, this is a close. This game's gonna be a blowout. They're probably gonna blow us out. But well, now we have a way better team. I feel like I did a good job on rebuilding, and it didn't even take me that long to rebuild. When it get the Jets, oh my god, that song's stuck in my head. Bruh, that was a high-scoring game for them and kind of us. We need to win these last 3 games. Howdy. Sorry, that was my grandpa. Ooh, come on, let's get the win here. Get the win. Yeah, baby. When we get the Jets, we're gonna make a list from biggest to small. There are Asia, Africa, North and South. Boom, baby! What is this team, bro? We're in playoffs now. Playoff territory. Let's go. Come on, let's beat this team right here. Boom, baby. Let's go. Now we in playoffs. Alright, let's upgrade all my players. Let's do that. Alright, sorry if you heard that weird noise. I was just I got a phone call, so I gotta answer that. And then, come on, guys, get the dub, get the dub, get the dub. Ah. All right, guys, that's it for this video. If you here, let's import the draft 2025. Oh, this is not my regular account. No, this I got a new PS5 for Christmas, and that's why. Select from download center. We need draft 2025. Is this one a good one? Probably not, but whatever. Let's see who's in there. Shadir is first. Shador. Carson Beck. Where's Ashton Genty? I know he's pretty good. Oh, I don't think they have him in this one. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe, please. I've been on a low streak right now, or whatever it's called. Thank you for subscribes. Peace. Alright, let's upgrade all my players. Let's do that.